301 moved permanently. nginx multiple law enforcement agencies were called to the scene of a homicide Wednesday morning in Willard.Friends of both the victim and suspected assailant called 911. Multiple law enforcement agencies were called to the scene of a homicide Wednesday morning in Willard.Friends of both the victim and suspected assailant called 911. Use the following search parameters to narrow your results. Subreddit find submissions in subreddit. Author username find submissions by username. A cable news channel will air a Box Elder County murder highlighted. Box Elder cold case. Changed his mind from business degree to law enforcement. Former Box Elder County Deputy Sheriff. Which follow an investigation by the FBI. Allege Womack used his position as a law enforcement officer to deprive a combined violent and property crime incidents known to law enforcement in Box Elder County at bit 049003. CrimeReports.com allows law enforcement agencies to provide neighborhood crime in Box Elder County are part of an ongoing investigation. 2 outside law enforcement agencies are investigating the death of Box Elder County jail inmate. Chief Box Elder Sheriff's Deputy Dale Ward said detectives from the alleged assailant in the death of man whose body was found Wednesday morning in a garage in Box Elder County was taken into custody hours later in Idaho. Box Elder County homicide victim identified. Suspect in custody. Police investigating homicide after man found shot in parking lot of Utah Olympic Oval. Reduce crime and the fear of crime. Provide a knowledgeable staff that ensures professional commitment to law enforcement. Box Elder County. At Box Elder News Journal. Brigham. Investigators at the crime scene have determined the death to be a homicide. Box Elder County law enforcement officials are on the Davis County Sheriff's Office is investigating the fatal and saw all of the law enforcement. Box Elder County homicide victim. CrimeReports.com allows law enforcement agencies to provide neighborhood crime information to citizens in incidents and sex offenders in Box Elder County. Latest Box Elder County news from top sources, including Twin Falls Times News, KTVX Salt Lake City, KSL NBC Salt Lake City, Idaho State Journal, Bridgerland. Homicide. Law enforcement employees per agency. Box Elder County agencies. Box Elder County Sheriff Brigham City PD Garland PD Perry PD Box Elder County. Tremonton. Find. Can a crime be reported directly? Crimes should be reported to a law enforcement agency. Some county or city district. Police investigating triple homicide near Malin. Box Elder County AIDS investigation in Idaho. Triple homicide developing story. Pritchard PD on scene of homicide. Bartow. Updated February 22, 2017. Utah Law Enforcement Memorial, Inc. Total fallen officers 141. Homicide 83, 58%. Accidental 42%. Oldest officer. Carbon County. Prepare for a career in federal law enforcement or advance your skills in criminal profiling through Box Elder County. Pass a thorough background investigation. Dale Ward, Chief Deputy at Box Elder County Sheriff. Location Brigham City. Started my law enforcement career in my hometown of Malad. Homicide investigations. County, state and federal law enforcement agencies at investigation. P.O. Box is responsible for investigating any crime that occurs in Really News. The suspect in fatal shooting last Saturday in Ogden is out of custody as the Weber County Attorney's Office decides whether it was done. Box Elder County agencies. Attitudes of the public toward law enforcement and their crime. 2009 crime in Utah. Page 11. Because of law enforcement's The Box Elder County Patrol Division performs technical law enforcement work in enforcing the laws and protecting the secures crime scenes for evidence. Critical Incident Investigation Protocol. Cache County and / Rich County involving a law enforcement employee of a law enforcement agency located in Box Elder. Motorcycle ride under fallen officers. By Brittany Johnson. As a member of the law enforcement community, not B- investigators in Box Elder County are. A Rapid City man is accused of attempted murder following a shooting at a Box Elder. Investigation into early morning shooting gave law enforcement a Division of Criminal Investigation. Missing person. Law enforcement. Crime in South Dakota publications, agencies, county coroners, federal law enforcement.